something lying in front of a mirror, and of course it's in the mirror, and then you're hiding the thing in front of the mirror, but you still see it in the mirror, which is kind of a very interesting, weird experience. And we can see what we can do with that, also in game development, of course. I think what will happen is this whole there are so many SDKs right now. I think Unity will go further with this abstraction layer, so building up this AR foundation. We might see in the near future more support for cloud augmented reality, so sharing these experiences. And yeah, I think that the devices will kind of merge together in the next 5 to 10 years. One technology that's really interesting is this whole, what's it called, oh no, sorry.